Hi, my name is Ananya and I'm an international student from Mumbai, India, studying computing science at the University of Dundee. And today I'm going to be taking you all with me on my journey from Mumbai to Dundee. So let's get started. So, a quick top tip I would like to give while packing would be to always check the weight of your baggage. And if you think that you're exceeding the limit by a significant amount, then I would really recommend you to pay the extra charges online rather than paying at the airport because it's definitely cheaper online and not a lot of people know this. I always choose Edinburgh Airport as my arrival airport in Scotland because there's this bus called the X90 which commutes between Edinburgh Airport to Dundee City Centre, and since I have the under 22 bus pass I can travel across Scotland for free. But even if you don't have the bus pass, the rates are comparatively cheaper than getting a taxi. Dundee is the sunny city in Scotland, but even despite that the weather here is really unpredictable. So I would really advise you to carry a big jacket that's going to save you from the wind, the rain and the cold.